Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have a Valentine's theme project to show you. It's just a quick, really simple project if you like making little mini envelopes. This is a do-it-yourself envelope and a tutorial. It's you can make it in any size you like. And I still had the Valentine's paper sitting on my desk from my last project. I shared with you this loaded pocket full of Valentine's theme embellishments. And so I thought I will quickly make another quick project while we're still in the Valentine's theme month or Valentine's month of February. And so I'll put the link down below if you want to have a look at the video that I had shared with you with all of these fun embellishments. It's a really a full jam-packed full of fun little projects in here, and there were some embellishments in this pocket, and I took the embellishments out of here to put inside the little mini envelopes that I'm going to show you, and I'll show you how to also make them. And it's just a simple, really fun little project. So I've made these envelopes, and let me show you how they look like. So this one here is with nothing inside the envelope, so that's what it looks like. It's just a cute little size. And then this is another one, and I'll just take the embellishment out of this envelope, and so that's the embellishment that was in the pocket here. So this is the other one that I made. So I was just wanting to make another project before I put the Valentine's paper away. And so these are the envelopes that I decided to make. So I just did simple embellishing, nothing, not too much going on. And this is the other one. So these were, I was surprised. I thought I'll see if these would fit in these envelopes, and when I took it out, it just fits perfectly. And the embellishments, these are 2 by 2 inch size square cardstock that I made, and then I embellished the 2 inch by 2 inch cardstock with some of these images from the papers that I had, and they just fit in here. So it will fit a 2 inch wide embellishment or a tag that's 2 inch wide, so that will fit in here. And then that's the other one. So I just thought these are just so cute, and if you love making little envelopes, you can really make these really quickly. So this is another one. So I did make a smaller one, which is this one, and it's just so tiny, so cute. And this is the larger size. So I made them in 3 different sizes, just so you could see you can make these in 3 different sizes. So this one here, you use a 3 by 3 size paper, and that's the size you'll get. And the one that I've made here for in this video, it's a 4 by 4 size paper. This one here I made with a 5 by 5 inch paper. So the bigger your paper will be, the bigger the size of your envelope. And what you get with your envelopes is you get to make 2 of these envelopes with 1 size paper that you're going to cut out. So this one was the 3 by 3 inch size. You get to make 2 of these, and the same with this one. And for whatever size, so if you're making it in 3 by 3 inch or 4 by 4 inch paper, you'll get 2 out of that 1 piece of square paper. So that's a great way to, so you can make a couple of these. So these 2 were from 1 paper, and then this one was also from another piece of scrapbook paper. So I'm going to show you how quickly it is you can make these. And I'm going to make the 4 by inch size, and then I'm going to make another one from the other piece that was from the 5 inch by 5 inch. And it's really, really easy. All you do is you're going to cut your paper. This is a 4 inch by 4 inch size. And all you're going to do is you're going to cut it from one corner to the other corner, so you get 2 triangle pieces. And I'm going to use the paper trimmer. You can fold it in half and then use that fold line as your guide on where to cut it. But I'm just going to place my paper in my trimmer from one point and to the other point, or from one corner to the other corner, so it'll give me 2 triangles like that. And all we're going to do here is you're going to grab one side and you're going to bring it over, and I just bring it over a little bit past that point, so just a little bit over for that point. I'm going to bring it up so you can see. So there's your point. So it's roughly about there from that point, and then I'm going to fold that down. And then this part you're going to bring it over, and before you fold it down, I just sort of have a look and just try my best to keep that part and this part sort of in line together as best I can. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit out. So if you're happy with it and they sort of line up, you can use a ruler to get that line to sort of line up. When you're happy, you just fold that down and you have yourself an envelope. And I'm just going to open this up, and we're just going to apply some glue all along the bottom. Just a small amount of a bead of glue, because there's not much space in the middle where the points sort of, where they cross over for you to add a lot of glue. So you just press that down, and then you have your envelope, and then here in the center it's sort of quite low. That's why I had added an embellishment to the front, just to give me extra support so that whatever you put in there won't fall out. So you can punch out some of your favorite shapes and then place it in the center, or do some embellishing just to give it a little bit more coverage here. And then I also had decorated the bottom with just some strips of paper and created a little banner, and just sort of glued that to the bottom down here just to tidy that up. And that's the same with this side here. So I've just done that too. And with these ones, I paper folded the piece. And what I'll do, let's do that. Let me create one of these paper folds and we will decorate that. See if I can grab some paper here that I may have laying around. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Let me just grab this piece. So what I've done is I'm just going to cut, I think about half an inch is plenty. And just have yourself a nice good long strip, and all you do is you're going to just fold whichever way you like, leave a little bit of a tail, and I'm just going to just keep folding in and out. And I might just do, you just keep going until you're sort of happy with where you like the length of your paper folded piece. So just so happens that's a perfect size. And then I will just create a little, like a fishtail on the end on both sides. If you have a sewing machine, you can sew the paper folder strip so that they all stay nice and flat. I'm too lazy to sew, even though my sewing machine is out. I'm a bit lazy. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to add glue. Oh, my glue's coming out everywhere. You're just going to add glue to all the parts where you created the fold at the bottom, and just press them down until they're sort of stuck down. Just going to do that too. Well, this is, I've got a different glue bottle today, so it's just going everywhere. So I'm just going to fold all that down. And then at the back, down the bottom of the envelope, I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue at the bottom here. So I could place this down, go that way. And it just sort of tidies up that part where we join the envelope. So I've done that. And then you can add a little piece. I don't have anything here. I might use this one. So this is one of the pieces that I fussy cut before. I might just place that there. I might just cut that off. I don't need that. I'll just cut it there. So I want to cover the middle part here just to give me a little bit more sort of so nothing will fall out, just to give it more, how do I say it, more coverage, I guess, at that point. So I'm just going to glue that. Hopefully that should. Just do that. Or if you have a heart punch, you can just punch out a heart and then place it in the middle. That would look nice. And that's that one done. And then that'll just go in there once all the glue is all set. And you've got yourself a little pocket for an embellishment, or some little mini tags, or anything you like. They'll still fit in here. I'm going to make one more to show you. This is with the 5 by 5 inch paper. I've already cut that in half because I made one already. And I'm just going to do it again just so you can see. So there's your point. I'm just going to bring this over and just sort of a little bit past that point with that point. And I'll bring the other side over and try to line it up. That with that. And I think I'm happy with that. And if you're happy with the size of your envelope, once you've created your fold, you can grab your scoreboard if you have one, and then create score lines, and then you'll have all of your envelopes all the same size. And then you just sort of lay it on your scoreboard like this. I don't have my scoreboard here. And then you create your score lines, and then you'll always have the same folds on all of your envelopes. But I wanted to make it without the scoreboard in case there are some of you that don't have scoreboard and you just want to make a quick little envelope with what you have. And now I've got myself 2 envelopes from one piece of paper. And they're cute. I just think they're really cute. And then if you want to fold it and close it, you want to close it a little bit past the top here. That way you've got somewhere to close that bottom bit, and you just fold it down, and then you have yourself a envelope. If you want to make a closure, just do that. So then you have that piece, which is fine. And then you bring it down, and then you have yourself an envelope with a closure. And this one is without it closed. So I hope this is a fun little tutorial, just so you can see how you can make your own little do-it-yourself mini envelopes with your papers with just one square size. Cut that in half, fold both ends and cross them over, and you have yourself some cute envelopes, and you can have fun embellishing them. Add them on top of plain tags. You can add your envelope on a plain tag, and then you've got a tag with an envelope, and you've got a little spot to tuck your little bits and pieces in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Bye for now.